it won't skip any stitches. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a presser foot for sewing spandex that is 100% effective for sewing spandex and all stretchy fabrics without skipping stitches on your home sewing machine. Now we're going to do a test with this spandex fabric. As you can see, look how much it stretches. We're going to insert the fabric, lower the presser foot. We're going to turn on the machine, and now we're going to press the pedal. We're going to do it in a straight stitch, always in the center. We raise the needle, take out the fabric, cut, and we're going to check. And here we can see, how on this type of fabric it skips. We can see here we have another one. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lower the presser foot, just the ankle, and we're going to put on the other one. Now we're going to turn the hand wheel. We're going to slowly lower the needle. And if we see that it's not landing in the center of the hole, we're going to adjust our machine so that the needle lands right in the center of the hole. We can do this by adjusting the machine either to move the needle to the right or to the left, depending on how the hole is aligned. Once we make sure the needle is landing right in the center of the hole, we raise the presser foot, and once again, we're going to sew. Again, we insert the fabric again, lower the presser foot, and press the pedal. We raise the presser foot, take it out, cut, and check. And here we can see the difference. We have this one, which is the one we just did, and we see that it didn't skip a single stitch. Now we flip it over and see that the back didn't skip any stitches either. And likewise, on any type of stretchy fabric, this presser foot is ideal for preventing skipped stitches. And remember, it should only be used for straight stitching.